Displays video from portable device on big screen. Converts digital HDMI output to analog VGA signal. Supports resolutions up to 1920 by 1080 for PC and 1080p for HDTV. 3.5 mm audio port sends audio to speakers or a display. Convenient plug-and-play connectivity. Easily connect your HDMI-enabled devices to a VGA monitor with the HDMI to VGA adapter. This convenient HDMI male to VGA female adapter cable allows you to display video from HDMI-enabled laptops, desktops and tablets on monitors with a VGA input, as well as offers a separate audio output to send signal to speakers or a display. This HDMI to VGA adapter features a female VGA connector which allows you to attach it to an existing VGA cable that can stay firmly screwed into the back of your monitor, letting you continue to take full advantage of existing monitors or projectors without needing to upgrade to an HDMI-compatible model. This cable supports PC resolutions up to 1920 by 1080 pixels and HDTV resolutions up to 1080p. Top reviews from the United States. Visual and audio. I need this adapter for church. We are able to stream videos, run PowerPoint, even though each service whether in English, Vietnamese or Spanish, using different laptops with different connectors. This VGA to HDMI is perfect for when I run the technology. Quick and easy. Thank you.